So the first measurement that I'm going to show you today is for a belt that has the belt buckle attached. So you take your tape measure, you can use centimeters or inches, and you start your measurement from where the prong hits the inside edge of the belt buckle. Okay, so right here, as you can see. So you start from there and you measure the entire length of the belt. This is very important. You finish your measurement at the hole that you use most often on your belt. So for example, on this belt, I typically use the third hole, and so I'm going to finish my measurement right here on the third hole. So for this belt, we've just measured 120 centimeters, but of course, if you want to, you can give us your measurement in inches. That's completely fine. So one other thing that is very important to remember, very often on the back side of the belt, we see a number written, maybe 95 or something like that. That is not the measurement that we want. That is the original measurement of the belt. That is not your measurement, okay? Also because naturally after some time the belt tends to get a little bit longer, a little bit lax, and so the actual measurement is a little bit different. Now we are going to try to measure the belt strap for a belt that has a detachable buckle. The first thing you're going to do is detach the buckle, like so. And as you can see, when you detach the buckle, you have a little hole there. This hole is where you start your measurement. So do not start from the end of the belt strap. You're going to start from that first hole where the attachment is. Okay, so we're going to put it there. And then, of course, you are going to end your measurement at the hole that you use most often on your belt. So if you can see here, it's the second belt hole right here. So I'm going to take the measurement from right here, okay? And so in this case, it's 85 centimeters for this belt. This is the most sure way of measuring the belt size. So if you're not really sure about the measurements that we've just shown you, you can also do it without a belt. So if you don't have a belt, this is probably the best way to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the belt size by measuring the circumference of your waist. But this is your belt size, this is not your waist size. So you should have a pair of pants on when you're doing it. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your movement tape measure and you are going to put it on basically like a belt. And you just see where it touches. And here I have 92 centimeters. Obviously you can do it with inches or centimeters. So like we said, this is the best way to take your measurements if you're not sure about the measurements of your belt or if you don't have the belt that you can measure. And that's it. That's your belt size. For more information on how to get your own personalized belt straps and other personalized leather products from Casanova, visit our website at www.casanova1948.com.